Year 3. Today this video is for anybody who wants to lift up a level. That means we're going to look at multiplying a 3-digit number against a 2-digit number using the area method. So let's jump in and have a quick look at that straight away, because one of the questions on the level 2 page involves this, but you can do plenty of other examples once you get the hang of it at your own speed. So here we go. I've got 158 and we've got 16 multiplied against 16. So this is telling me that I have to have 3 boxes going down one way. So I'm going to put my 3 boxes going down one way, and I have to have 2 boxes going the other. So let me put those in. So it's 6 boxes in total. And I know that because I know that 158 is 100, a 50 and an 8. So I'm going to put those numbers here, 100 and a 50 and an 8. And I know that 16 is a 10 and a 6. So let's put those numbers here, a 10 and a 6. I'm going to rub out the mess that I've made up here at the top because it does look terrible. And we've got our area sitting there waiting for us to do. So let's have a quick little look at that. Let me go back to the black. So I've got 100 times 10. I know that 100 times 10 is 1,000. So we're looking at a pretty big number here. I know that 100 times 6 is 600. I know that 10 times 50 is 500. My writing is not very good, but I think you get the hang. And I know that 6 5s are 30, and I need to bring down add the other 0, because I know 6 5s are 30, and here's my extra 0 that goes here. I know that 8 10s are 80, and I know that 6 8s are 48. I am going to add these numbers across in order to get my final number at the end. So let's look at this. We've got 1,000 plus 600. So that's a fairly easy sum. That's 1,600. The next one is we've got 500 plus 300. Well, 5 and 3 is 8, so we know we've got 800. So that's another easy sum. We've got 80 plus 48. Well, I know that I'm going to put down my 8 because it's sitting there, and I know that 8 and 4 is 12, so I'm going to put 12 here. So I know that 80 plus 48 is 128. I'm going to pop my equals sign here, and let's change pen. We're going to look at the units. We're going to do the same as we always do. We look at the units. Nothing plus 8 is 8. Nothing plus 2 is 2. 8 plus 6 is 14, plus 1 is 15. So I'll put the 5. Now I have to carry the 1 because 15 is a 10 and a 5, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So I've got 2,528. I'm going to pop that up here, 2,528. So that's my first example. Let's have a look at another example. Okay, I've got 333 multiplied by 18. So let's have a look at that. I know that 333, I'm going to get 3 numbers out of that. So I know straight away that I'm going to be drawing 3 boxes down. My box is always a bit crazy, but you can do a better job. I'm having to do it on a tablet. And I've got 2 numbers here, so I know I'm going to have a 10 and an 8, so I know I'm going to have to add another box to this edge here. I'm going to have 6 boxes. So let's write these numbers down. I know that 333 is 300, it's a 30, and it is a 3. I know that 18 is a 10 and an 8. Now I'm going to multiply these together. I know that 300 times 10 is going to give me 3,000. I know that 3 8s are 24, and I need to add my 2 zeros, so I've got 2,400. It's going to be a nice big number. On my second line of boxes, I'm going to do 30 times 10. 30 times 10 is 300. And I know that 3/8 are 24 again, but this time I've only got 1 0, so I'm just going to put 1 0 in there. 240. I've got 3 10s are 30, and again I've got 3/8 are 24, and put 24 there. Now we're going to work across as we have been doing to get an addition here that we can add up to get our final answer. I know that 3,000 plus 2,400 is going to give me 5,400. These are nice and easy when we've got lots of zeros. I know that 300 plus 240 is going to give me 540. And I know that 30 plus 24 is going to give me 54. And I'm going to put my equal sign in, make sure that I know that I'm adding. All the time I do the same thing over and over again. Again, I start with the units. Nothing, nothing, 4. Nothing, 4 and 5, 9. 4 and 5, 9. 5, 5. My answer is 5,994. 5,994. I think many of you are up to this extra level, so good luck with that, and I'll be looking forward to seeing how you go.